Hey, good morning, y'all. Welcome back to Figs Outside. So this morning I'm going to be replacing the overhead light console in my 2007 Dodge. It fits a wide variety. This is kind of a universal overhead console thing for your lights. This one actually comes with LEDs. I'll be posting a link down below on where you can get this. Anyway, yeah, it's the same overhead console as for my 2007 as well as for my 2005. So it fits the 1500s, 2500s, 3500s. I'll show you guys what it looks like here in just a second. But this one is broken, as you can see. The little tab on the inside, here's the on-off for it. But the little tab that's on this side broke off. So the light cover fell off. And they're super easy to do. They're pop-in style with clips. But this one has the original bulbs. The new one has LEDs, and I will show you guys what that looks like right now. Okay, so here's the new one. You can see the little LED chips in there. There is the part number. Yeah, it's from China. And so, as I stated earlier, they're held in with clips. Here's the front clips, and here's the new wiring. And so these clips right here, they're held in with a little Torx screw. I'll show you guys that here in a second. I already popped one of the lenses out, but you're gonna have to remove that little Torx screw. And if these are still in there, they're still good. On the old one, you can just screw these right back into it. But let me show you guys real quick. Okay, so here they are. Here's those little screws. See them right there. Kind of hard to tell what they are. Oh, there we go. That looks pretty good. That's a Torx bit. Some people call them star bits, but it's called the Torx bit. Anyway, so you got to remove those, which will allow me to pull the front clips out. These are in there really well. I'll show you guys. They snap in. So this flush part, you can see right there. So those springs go in behind the flat. So you can't just pop those down. You're going to break it. But anyway, I'll pop those out and I'll show you. We got to disconnect the wiring too. Then I'll show you guys that. Alrighty, there it is. I got her down. It took me all of about 10 seconds. So that little tab was broke too. That one right there, it's got a little push tab on the bottom. I'm gonna have to remove that. And then on the main wiring that goes into the digital display, there's actually a little push tab on the bottom side of that underneath the wires. So you're gonna want to depress that and that should just slip right out. You have 4 number 2 Phillips head screws right there. You're gonna want to remove those. Actually, you probably don't even have to pull that main tab out now that I look at it, because that's going to go right into the new one anyway. So you're just going to want to remove those 4 Phillips head screws and then put that into your new console. And then, yeah, turn your key on if you want to see if they work after you get that one plugged in as well for the lights. So anyway, let's get to it. Here we go. Got her installed. Got the overhead display put in, got the clips in. Let's keys on. So there it is. Ooh, those are bright. Those are really bright. So that one works. Ooh, that one works. Okay, so now that I know it works, I'm gonna want to pop these lenses out. Excuse me, guys. Sorry, I can't get any further away. So I want to pop these lenses out. As you can see right in there, it's these little itty bitty tabs. Here's a lens from the old one. So they're just little itty bitty tabs on these pretty, there, we can see that. Those kind of pathetic little tabs right there. Those break pretty easy. So you're going to want to use a small flat-headed screwdriver or a butter knife or a pocket knife or whatever you got. And you're going to be real easy. You're going to pop those out. They're only held in there by that and this little tab that's right here in the back. I don't know if you can see that. That just kind of keeps it in place. Oh, you can't see it from in there. Oh, here we go. It's right in front of my finger. So you're going to want to pop that out, and then you're going to have a spot for those screws that we pulled out. Okay, got it put back in. It's easier to start with the front. Put those front tabs in. You snap those in, and it'll just guide this piece back up nice and smooth. So with these, same thing. You're going to want to put that back tab in first and just kind of press that on. Oh, there we go. There it goes. Yep. So here we have it, guys. See if it'll Turn that piece back on. Yep, there we go. All works, all good. Here is a video at nighttime. I mean, these lights are super, super bright. So there we go, got her done. I might have made this video a little bit longer than it needed to be, but I figured just explaining some of the stuff would make it a little bit better for some of the people. Some people might not like that, but oh well. So got it done. It might take you anywhere from 6 to 10 minutes, depending upon if you have any type of weird little troubles or not, running back and forth to get tools, whatever the case is. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it helps you out. And until next time, catch y'all later. Bye-bye.